Riding the 97 400 Prairie, 4-wheel drive. With one hand. Oop. Gotta mention that. Whoa! Can't believe you did that. Got GPS and I don't have it hooked up. It only goes about 48 miles per hour. Okay, stop here. Put a 12 volt in so I can plug my GPS in, order it, and then off eBay I got a real good deal on it, and then you plug your GPS in there and you buy this piece here off eBay, another piece fits your GPS. You don't need speedometer. Tell you how far you go, everything. Guy's too cheap to get a hotel. Way out there. He's always out here fucking his girlfriend. Too cheap to get a hotel. Cheapskate. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's go back and see what's going on. Film it. Show YouTube what's going on. What the fuck is this? Pair of golfs. go back and bust their balls, huh? What's he gonna do to me? Whoop his ass. What's going on YouTube, baby? Let's take a look what's going on. Oh, you're gonna make it. There's cantaloupe. All the cantaloupe you want. You didn't really grow too much this year. There's watermelon. Oh yeah, they're still growing. Wow. There's a biggie. Ooh, watermelon. Peppers? Oh yeah, peppers. Look at them. Oh yeah, we got nice peppers there growing. Look at that. Look at these peppers growing. I saw these where I work at. Look at that. Oh, they're great. And you got watermelon. It's a little, she's still growing. He's got some peppers. Wow. We got some hot ones this time. That's a hot little pepper there. Yeah. Oh, he's got even hotter ones over here. Oh, this is the hot pepper. Oh. Nice. Come back later on and grab one of them. Okay, 97 400 Prairie, 4-wheel drive, automatic it says. I wish I had a button that you can just engage the 4-wheel drive, because you can really feel it when you're in the front steering. It's hard with one hand. You need two hands to grip that baby when you're speeding. Okay, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. See you guys.